So I got a reply to my last video in regards to the ESP BAS light. I'm sorry for the late reply. I thought I posted the video right after I replaced the part, but I guess I didn't. I did try one more last method before replacing the part, and that was turning the steering wheel all the way to the left, all the way to the right, and then you center it. That didn't work, and so I replaced the part, and it did work. It didn't turn off immediately. I had to drive the car home, turn the car off, and I turned it back on, and it worked. I'm not having any issues. I do, however, get the air pressure sensor that it blinks. It turns on every now and then, and that's only due to the aftermarket wheels and the aftermarket sensor parts. I read in the forum that if you use the Dodge part, the pressure sensor, you wouldn't have that issue. But I continue to get that issue every now and then. It'll blink. But it took me only a few minutes. The part is this part right here. There's like a little clip within here, and that goes all the way to the back of this hub, and there's a 10mm or 8mm screw that you take off. And again, it only took me a few minutes. Again, sorry for the late reply, guys.